What's the deal, everybody? It's Monday, July 9th, and apparently the trade war is has officially started. And right now, I'm just concentrating on cannabis stocks because I don't want to have to, you know, deal with buying a stock that's involved heavily in the trade war. Like when it's down and then it goes down further, and then I buy more and then it goes down further. I don't feel like dealing with none of that, so I'll stick to cannabis stocks for most probably for the rest of this year. Most probably. I'll be going back and forth. I'm buying like other stocks as well, but not. I'm gonna be heavily involved in cannabis stocks, especially because, like I've said, in October 17th, I believe, um, marijuana is gonna be legalized in all of Canada recreationally. So I have Cron. This is a marijuana stock. CGC as well is a marijuana stock. CGC so far has been my favorite. Canopy Growth has been my favorite marijuana stock as far as their numbers and what I've read about them. I'll sell this one. I'll buy a share of this as well. Just one. It has not executed yet, but it will in a bit. I'll go ahead and buy some more of. Oops. We want to buy, not sell. I'll go ahead and buy some more of Canopy Growth as well. Mm. It hasn't executed, so I'm gonna cancel it and actually get another another GW Pharmaceuticals. Executed. I have $3.77 left in my buying power, so I'll get another marijuana stock. This one is 22nd Century Group. It says here it's a plant biotechnology company which engages in the development of technology that will allow to increase or decrease the level of nicotine and nicotine alkaloids in tobacco plants and levels of cannabinoids in cannabis plants through genetic engineering and plant breeding. And there's the rest of it. So as of today, I am up 13.54% in the past year. I'm hoping to, well, my goal is to get to 30% before the year ends, before the end of the year. I'll cancel that and buy it again because it went up, and I guess it went up after I put a limit by. There you go. It vibrated, so it's been executed. There. So my portfolio is 100%. Well, not 100% right, but it's all marijuana stocks. So like 99%. Yeah, but y'all get me. So let's check out some news real quick.
We are in a trade war between the world's two largest economies, and that's something that we haven't seen in many, many years in the global economy. And that is something that is going to cast a big shadow over the global economy in the months to come. The U.S. At midnight on Friday, a minute after midnight, began imposing a 25% tariff on more than 800 products with an annual trade worth something like $34 billion. And the Chinese immediately responded in kind, different set of products, targeting things like soybeans and so on. But they are, the fight is joined. We are at war right now. The reason this matters is that we are in what should otherwise be a healthy global economy, and here is the biggest threat to that healthy growth that we have in the global economy. The concern is that this tit for tat tariff war will start raising costs for U.S. companies, U.S. manufacturers. It will start hurting Chinese manufacturers. We'll start to see some layoffs or at least a slowdown in investment. This has real significant economic consequences, and we heard that from the Federal Reserve this week when they released the minutes of their June meeting and revealed that they were already hearing from businesses that were either pausing or even scaling back investment as a result of Donald Trump's trade policies. This is going to cast a big shadow. This is a big break potentially on the global economy. What happens next, as far as we can tell, is going to be potentially a steady escalation of things. Donald Trump on Thursday, just hours before these tariffs took effect, said he was willing to go up to $500 billion in Chinese import and slap them with tariffs. And that's significant because the U.S. imported about $505 billion worth of goods from China in 2017. What Donald Trump is effectively saying is, I'm going to slap tariffs on every little piece and widget that we import from China, and that's a full-bore trade war. The Chinese will do the same. They'll find a way to retaliate, and again, that will be very bad for the global economy. The biggest thing we need to look for now is a way out of this. And I'm not sure that at the White House or in Beijing they have a clear way out.
So there you go. The trade war has officially started, and I'll just stick to my marijuana stocks, mostly this year. Peace out.